Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this session we are going to see how can we set up Java JDK in Windows OS, how can we download Java JDK, how can we install it, how can we set the environment variable, and how to verify whether the setup has been done properly or not. So let's get started. So, what is Java JDK? JDK stands for basically for Java Development Kit. It's a cross-platform software development environment that offers a collection of tools and libraries that are necessary for developing Java-based software applications. When we are working as a Java programmer and when we are using Java programming language for developing some application, okay, so we need Java JDK, not Java JRE. JRE. Okay, so JRE is something like a Java runtime environment. This JRE you can use for executing, for running the application which has been developed using Java programming language. But to develop that any application using Java programming language, we need JDK. Okay. So how to download Java JDK? So to download that, just open the browser, go to the tab, and search for Java JDK download Windows. You see, click on the first link. This one is from the oracle.com. When you landed up on the oracle.com website, click on the Java archive. Here you will be able to see all the versions of Java basically. Okay, so in my case I'm going with Java version 15. Now this is Java SE development kit like JDK basically 15.0.2. Okay, now we want to install this Java JDK in the Windows OS. Okay, so we have to go with this one, Windows X64 installer. Windows X64 installer. So click on this .exe file. Now, after the click operation you did on this link, Oracle is asking you to accept some of like you need to enable this checkbox like I reviewed and accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement. Okay. After enabling this checkbox, click on the button download. Now, to download Java JDK, basically, you need to have an account on the Oracle website. Okay, so if you already have signed up, if you have the username and password with you, you just need to fill username and password and then click on the sign in. So Java JDK download will be start. Otherwise, if you do not have any account, then click on the create account button and you need to fill some information here, which Oracle is asking about you. It's taking some time. Okay, so you need to fill this information like put is your email address, put the password, retype the password. Okay, country, job title, name, work, phone, company name, and other things. In my case I already have an account and I'm just doing the login. I've just filled the username and the password and I'm clicking on the sign in button. Now you see the Java JDK download has been started for my case. So till the time it gets download, let me just pause this video and we'll resume from here. So the download has been completed. I'm just clicking on this arrow and going to this show in folder. Okay. So the next step would be how to install Java JDK. Okay. So we already have reached this step like the exe file has been downloaded. So open the file. Just do double click on this file. Sorry. Click on yes. We can close this. We can close this as well. Now the installation wizard has been opened for us. So click on next. So basically this is the path where this Java JDK will be installed in your system. If you want to change, you can change, but yeah, my recommendation is do not change, just go with the same path only. Okay, so it is C, then program files, then Java is a folder, and inside that JDK 15.0.2. Click on next. So this will start the installation part. So basically setup wizard will come, install with the default settings. After that, once the installation has been completed, then to verify whether the Java JDK setup has been done in your machine or not, there is a command called Java space hyphen version. So you need to open the command prompt, but let it complete first. Installation is not completed yet. Windows take time. Yeah, the installation has been completed. Now, to open the command prompt, what you should do, just click here, type here to search, then search for CMD, click enter, oh sorry, enter. This is the command prompt now, okay. So what was the command? To verify whether the Java JDK has been set up in internal node, Java space hyphen version, okay. So it is clearly telling me that yeah, Java version 15.0.2 has been set up in your machine. Okay. In case if it is not working for you, like if it says like Java is if it is not giving you the version of Java, okay, then what should you do? In that case, just search for environment variables. Okay. Go to the environment variables. After that, yeah, we are into the environment variables now. Under the environment variables, we have something called system variables. Okay. Now here, what should you do? Click on the new button, create a new variable here, give the name as Java underscore home. Okay. And what should be the value for this? So the value should be the path where Java was installed. Okay. So if you come to the C drive, then go to the program files, then to Java, then to JDK. Okay. Now you have to copy this path, go to the environment variable, and this should be the path. This is the variable value basically for this variable. So Java underscore home is the variable name, and this value is the value for this variable. Okay, click on the OK. See, Java underscore home is the variable which is created under system variables. Okay, now the second step would be, so this step is basically completed. Okay, we clicked on environment variables, then we clicked on new under the system variables, and then we created this new variable, right? I'm going to the next step. After that, under system variables only, we have something called path. This is also one variable. So just click on the edit button. Okay, click on the edit button. After that, what you should do, click on the new percent Java underscore home, then bin. Okay, so this Java underscore home basically is the variable name which we created in the previous step. Okay, so that value is going to be concatenated here with the bin. Okay, so click on OK, click on OK, click on OK here, and now again open a new command prompt, just to Java space hyphen version, and it will show you the version, like this means if it is showing you the version of the Java JDK, so the Java JDK setup has been done properly in your machine. Okay, so just open the command prompt to verify that the Java JDK setup has been done. Java hyphen version is done. Okay, so that's all for this